currently just gone past 5:30 and we're off on our next adventure. Me and my cousin Tate, who I'll introduce you to properly in a moment, are driving down to France in the Jimny. And that's pretty much the extent of our plan. We've got nowhere to stay, we've got our camping stuff, and we're just gonna explore, see where we end up, and hopefully find some nice things. Stopped off for a quick cup of tea and a couple of bacon rolls to get us on the road, and we're driving now down to the coast to catch our ferry. Yeah, plenty of time to catch our ferry, and then we're into France, and from there we'll sort of make it up. We need to get food, we've got no food other than that, pretty much covered. And this is Tate.
Hello.
My cousin. We've got snacks for the ferry. I've gone with a, I don't know what they called it, but it looks so ridiculously cartoonish. I couldn't help myself. An elephant bun.
Spelt it. And I've got a star biscuit.
That's gonna be so good. That already tastes good.
Oh, well, mine's like Advent calendar chocolate.
Dans les alarmes sonores médias. Si vous entendez ce signal, rejoignez le poste de rassemblement le plus proche.
We're off, we're on our ferry. We made it on, and now we've got, I think, about 1.5 hours of floating before we get into France, and then from there, the world is our oyster. We'll decide what we do. But it does mean we can tuck into our buns, which have been eyeing us up for the past hour and a half in that queue. Tate's star has a couple less legs on it than it once did, but my bun's untouched. So we're gonna tuck in and then get to France. Sunny.
Wow, so sunny.
Okay, we've landed in sunny France, and we're now driving an hour along the coast to a little town that our grandparents like, and we're going to go to a shop. We've got no food, so we're going to go get food in, get water in, and then re-strategize from there after having a look at the sea. That's the plan.
the roundabout, take the 4th exit onto Avenue de l'Atlantique, then take the first.
That's true. I've never seen that before.
It's weird that they've got no signs for like parking and stuff.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can hear me over the waves. We've just spent a very exciting hour in our in our first French supermarket, which was great fun, and we bought loads of food, all sorts: baguettes, olives, ham, saucisson, iced tea. Very excited to tuck into that. And now we've driven down to the beach of this small town called Le Touquet.
Le Touquet, yeah.
Le Touquet, I think. It seems to be sort of out of season, sort of a holiday town, but it's very sweet. Really interesting architecture, and this lovely beach with golden sands, and the weather's stunning. So we're going to tuck into some lunch.
A mini bouchette.
Yeah. You had nice for me, I think.
So good. Oh. So good.
Is it?
Yeah, I love the mini one.
We've been walking around for a while now, and it is bizarre. It's so pretty here, but it's almost like Tate was saying, like a model village. Like everything looks so absurd. Steep little roofs, like cobbled together in most bizarre shapes. This building behind me is the town hall, believe it or not, which was opened as part of the Franco-British celebrations in 1931. And was funded, the construction was funded by 1 year's profits at the casino, which is obscene. But what also strikes me is just how clean everything is. All the buildings are like stark whites or clean stone. And it's very pretty, beautiful to walk around. I'm a fan.
Parlez-vous anglais?
Oh,
Oui?
Yes.
Do you want my photograph or not?
We'd love your photograph.
Damn good of you, thank you.
Okay, so our plan was to just drive along the coast a little bit, and there were some big sort of sand dunes and forests a bit further along that we thought maybe we could find a spot in. Turned out to be all private land, and as we were walking back to the car to re-strategize, there were a few gunshots, so we decided to move on from there. So there's a bigger forest further inland, further south, and we're driving there now. It is 5:15, 5:20. So hopefully we can get there, find a spot and set up, but we'll see what it's like when we get there. We found the forest and it looks perfect. It's actually by far the biggest forest I've been to in my entire life, which is kind of sick. So we're packing up our bags and then we're just gonna head into it and find somewhere we like the look of and settle down for dinner in the evening. We're both exhausted from this morning, despite a little nap on the ferry.
Yep. Mine that 3.
This is the dreamiest clearing I've ever
This is great.
seen. So, let's get you set up.
Yeah.
I think here would be nice for you.
Yeah.
I'll clear all the wood and then make up some dinner.
A bit wet.
Is it?
No. It's just oh,
It's really
extra padding.
It's really quite
Be
marshy,
perfect to
isn't
get
it?
the
Yeah.
pegs in right.
This is my French loadout. My usual bag and stick and clothes, plus a bottle of wine in the side pocket. I think it adds to it. Quite nice. Okay, Tate's got her own little shelter which she's setting up.
Yeah.
And I'm going to pitch up here facing her, and then we'll have this space in the middle to sit and eat and cook.
I need to get some pegs in.
You're too hot.
Too hot.
I'm too hot, but there's too many bugs.
I've got a lightweight.
Ah.
Yeah.
This is my home for tonight. You have to excuse the slightly saggy pitch, but the ground's too soft. My pegs are too small. Perhaps that's a bad excuse and I don't know enough. But there's no wind, so it will stay up and I've got plenty of space. So there's nothing to worry about, and it will do the trick for now. It's a gorgeous evening, and I cannot believe this clearing. Serious luck. Nice to be in France. How exciting.
There's too many horrible spiders, sorry.
There are too many spiders.
There's so many spiders, they're big and long. They're going to crawl up my trousers.
But they won't get in your tent, luckily.
Yep. You might have a few crawling over you.
I might have a few crawling over me.
Right, what should we do?
Well, I'm not hungry enough for dinner,
Me neither.
and we don't have any games.
No.
So we could go exploring. That moss is nice, and that tree, isn't it?
Very nice.
Time for some wine, but we don't actually know how to get into it because we don't have a corkscrew. It's this.
Can they see the bottom of my legs?
No.
Okay.
It's a nice sock arrangement. This is the wine if you happen to know anything about wine. I don't. But I thought it looked nice and it was about €4.
€4.
And it was dusty. I like the fact it was dusty.
That's what I like too. Probably means it's really bad because all the French are not choosing it.
It means it means it's been aging. It means it's been aging. Step 1. Now we've got to get that out. Few techniques I've heard Tate mentioned lighting it.
To pop the cork up.
Don't really fancy that.
No.
I've seen some people bang it, and Tate was saying some people push the cork in. I'm going to try and bang it really hard.
In a shoe?
In a shoe.
Okay.
Change of tactic, we're going to try and push it in. Well, it's going. Oh!
Well, that was fast.
Well, there we go. Maybe it won't pour. Let's have a try. Tastes nice.
Really?
Yeah, well, I don't know, but... Okay, so I think you might have to unplug it as you pour.
Yeah.
That's less appetizing.
We'll try. What's
There we go,
what's
hang
it like?
on.
Oh, yeah, because no, the cork's at the bottom, because it'll float. You don't even need to put your finger there. Oh.
Genius physics.
Why did you do that?
It's good stuff, Tate. It's good
Is it?
stuff. Cheers.
Cheers.
May this mug forever be purple. I like that. You've got sort of the other French icon for me.
Pêche.
I'm a lemon. I think I'm maybe a lemon guy now.
I can't do lemon anymore.
Really?
I find lemon disgusting.
Was lemon your first love?
Yeah, lemon was my first
That's
love.
unusual as a child.
And then peach came, and I was like, no, what is this? How could you do this
What
to
is
lemon?
It didn't. They were both about at the same time.
Really, I felt like lemon was way before. Lemon was like the OG.
Do you think?
And then Duff was like, you need to get onto this peach. And I'm like, no, I don't want to try this peach. No, I can't go back to lemon. But my favourite is just the green tea. I had it in Amsterdam, and I've never found it anywhere else.
Oh yeah.
You can get the green tea with mint. Don't like that one. Just the green tea.
I haven't seen straight green tea. I've seen green tea with mango and green tea with raspberry. Pure green tea sounds good.
It was really good.
This is so nice. Look at the sun setting through the tree.
Yeah.
Right, it is dinner time. Legitimately this time, it's 7:15. I think that's an honest dinner time, even in Europe. We are having sort of smoked sausage with French lentils. I wanted something French, and I also wanted something nice, because poor Tate's going to have to eat it as well. So I tried to cook something a bit nicer than usual when I have a guest. I'm going to get to it. Hopefully it's nice.
Okay, one last question about the bugs and I'll stop.
Yeah.
What happens if you drink a tick?
These midgies are pretty bad right now. I'm hoping as the sun settles down, so do they. But that is optimistic thinking.
I kind of spilled the water over me.
Is that your tea water?
I did a good job.
Well done, Tate.
I did a good job. It was the tea water.
Into the pot with our French groceries. Tate, translation please. Onion.
Onion.
Perfect.
That's a strong onion. I can smell it from here.
It's a French onion. Legitimately. Perfect, one onion. Next up, what I call a carrot and what Tate would call...
Carrot.
Wow. I don't know if that one's true.
I don't know.
Sounds... it could be right. What we're going to have here is a lot of food. But what I might do is cook it all, put the lid on it, and reheat the rest for my breakfast. And Tate's breakfast, but I doubt she'll want that for breakfast.
Yeah, I'd love that.
What, over the brioche we've got?
Definitely will have the brioche.
Okay.
What the heck are you?
Caterpillar.
Excuse me, caterpillar.
No way.
You can't stay here.
Check this caterpillar out on Tate.
You sure that's a caterpillar?
Yeah, no way.
Why is he doing that?
He's reaching out. Actually, I think he's pretending to be a little twig.
I'm a twig. I'm just a twig. Okay, what if I just pretend you're not there? Will you carry on crawling? Oh my god, he thinks he's a twig.
Right, vegetables chopped. Pardon me. Next up, I managed to find a double-sized tin of lentils in duck fat.
In duck fat?
In duck fat.
You didn't tell me that.
Well, you didn't. You'll appreciate it when you taste it, too.
Okay.
So I'm going to use some of the juice from that to fry the veg.
One night, can we just have like pasta or something simple?
Yeah, of course. Taste this, but of course. Okay, gonna fry these down a bit. Chop up the smoked sausage, and then when those are looking nice, add the lentils and the sausage a bit later, and perhaps a dollop of my wine.
I can't wait to get my pyjamas on.
You can do that now if you want.
They're a bit too flowy for my liking.
Stylistically, it's an issue.
No, for more of a insect repellent.
Uh,
I do love that smell of the burning alcohol on camping.
do you?
Yeah, I don't know, it's just... I don't know.
I don't find it smells very strong.
It feels like camping, doesn't it?
It does feel like camping, yeah.
I'm not allowed to sit on the floor because I've already had 3 ticks on me.
Not allowed, that makes it sound...
Jim told me I wasn't allowed.
She decided she didn't want to. Do you want the... Would you sit on the rag?
No, because I was sat on my rucksack.
Oh yeah.
I think it's this tree actually. I think it's harvesting a whole load of big ticks. Here.
Why did you just brush against it then?
Huh?
Why did you just brush
I
against
don't
it?
know, because I don't know how to get past it. It actually does smell really good.
Trust me, Tate.
And I think that might be because of the duck fat.
It is.
I can tell.
One of the many reasons. This sausage looks so good.
Saucisson.
Okay, these are frying away nicely. I brought with me, somewhere, a small amount of salt and pepper. And now I'm going to go into the lentils. Off the hob. To make less of a mess. So there are our lentils. I'm hoping that fat will loosen them up a little bit, but I'm sure a splash of this won't hurt. And once those are starting to cook up, I'll add these sausages in. Let's get the lid on that. Those are starting to boil up. I'm going to put the simmering on. Get the sausages in and put the lid on it and let that bubble away for a little while. Right. Do you want to give them a tour of it?
Yeah, I'm going to give you a tour of my tent. Hang on, let me just clear up the front bit. There's quite a few spiders and creepy crawlies everywhere. But it's alright. It just landed on my hand.
It's not alright, is it?
No. I tried to play it really cool. It's fine. And there's my bed for the night. I've got a nice, thick, pump up mattress thing. And then a sleeping bag.
Okay, this has been simmering away nicely, and I think it's ready to tuck into. So I'm going to take it off the heat, and we can enjoy it once it's cool. Come on, a bit more sausage.
There's not I want to leave enough sausage.
I've got literally a litre of cassoulet. No one wants to think about their food in terms of litres. I think they call this cassoulet.
You think?
I think they do. What's casserole? Is that like the anglicised version?
I don't know. So what makes it casserole? Is it like the dumplings, or is it?
I don't. There definitely does not have to be dumplings in a casserole.
No. I'm sorry, but he was gross.
So as we're sitting here having our meal, the sun's setting over on the outside of our clearing.
Yeah. There he is, in front of you.
Yeah.
Whoa!
This little bat and his friends are sweeping through and clearing out our insect issue, tidying up for us, which is very much appreciated and really fun to watch. They're so agile. I'm just going to tidy up dinner, Tate.
Okay. Do you want me to help you?
No.
Do you want a head talk?
It's alright, I've got a little lantern.
Oh, hi, Spider. You're not staying there, I'm afraid.
Do you need me to get it?
I got him.
Nice. Tate's getting ready for bed. I'm just going to finish off the rest of our wine and head off to bed myself. I need to tidy up some bits from dinner and make my bed and lay down. But that's easy enough. Dinner was thoroughly enjoyable, very filling, exceptionally hot, but nice. And there's something quite strange about us now being in a forest in somewhere we've never been before, and not really. Once you're in a woodland, we were saying over dinner, you sort of don't know where. It doesn't matter where you are. We could be anywhere, because all we can see is trees that are fairly familiar to us. Some unfamiliar spiders and some unfamiliar caterpillars.
I don't like the spiders.
But otherwise quite familiar.
Yeah.
So we could be anywhere, but at the same time we're nowhere, which is quite fun. Okay, this is my toothpaste. I use it like tooth powder, so just dip your brush in. Anything else you need?
I think so.
Okay. You got water?
Yeah.
This is unreal, Tate. This is real adventuring here.
Mhm.
Listen to the owls, watching the bats. I got spiders. Many spiders. Living in my house. This is it. We're both tucked up, calling it a night. It's been a long old day, but a lovely day, and a day of adventure and new things, new experiences. But we're wrapped up, and hopefully the bugs aren't too bad in the night, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And we'll wake up. When we wake up, I told Tate to wake me up when she wakes up, and we'll make a plan in the morning from there. But we're thinking of heading down south, sort of as far as we can drive, and see what we come to. But we'll discuss that over breakfast with clear heads. So good night.